common sense. Usually, if you think about the normal things and use common sense, you should be okay. But one of the major things is, obviously you stay out of the direct sun. The major part of the day that is hot, like from 10 to 3, is when it gets really hot. You should avoid that kind of direct sunlight. Drink plenty of fluids. A lot of people try to sort of take it easy and drink alcohol, which could make it really worse. I would avoid any kind of alcohol. And by fluids, it's a lot of water and electrolytes rather than soda and sugary drinks. Avoid a strenuous activity like mowing the lawn or doing anything outside in direct sun, because even a small amount of activity can really heat you up and get you in trouble during the best part of the hot part of the day. Once you start having the trouble with the heat, if you're not drinking enough fluid, you start having where you cannot sweat, the nausea, or the elderly can develop mental status changes. They become confused. Once those kind of things develop, you're already well into the heat stroke, and that should prompt a 911 call or bring to the emergency department for evaluation. The extremes of age are more prone. Mostly elderly patients and very, very young infants are very susceptible to heat. Elderly are even more susceptible because most of the time they're on medications that could also make them more and more dehydrated. So they're very likely to become rapidly dehydrated and go into a heat stroke without the proper cool weather and proper fluids. Very good idea to find cool relief at the cooling centers. There's always the towns put out cooling centers, but you can also take advantage of libraries, malls, places where they have air conditioning to stay away from the heat during the best part of the hot part of the day. The things to do is, again, to use common sense, drink plenty of fluids, stay out of the direct sun at the best part of the day where it's really hot, and just don't do any strenuous activities during those times, because that's when you can get in trouble.